Hello, and good morning, guys. It's a beautiful Tuesday morning, and today is I think today is when the CPI data is coming out. I believe. Let me see. Today we have the CPI data coming. Uh, yes, true. At 3:30 p.m. we have CPI. But first, let's look at what we were looking at yesterday. This was our analysis for yesterday. We were looking for potential buys above this level. We never got the potential buys. And below this level, we were looking for potential sales below this level. Uh, our confirmation happened at this, what time was this? At 4:30 p.m. 4:30 p.m. We had our confirmation. We had this candle closing below our level and closing below all these previous weeks. You see, it closed below our level here and closed below all these previous weeks with some good bearish momentum. You can see the size of the candle, very long candle body and very short wicks. That is good indication of momentum, good indication of bearish pressure that broke below our level, and that was a signal for a sell. Once you had this break here, you could have entered on the retest, but the retest never happened, so I didn't get an entry there. Uh, Try to look shift down to 15 minutes. The entry should have been here. My entry was here. My entry was here. At this were fair value gap. So now let me remove this alert here. So this is where my entry was at this fair value gap here. Remember what I told you about the fair value gaps? Once you have a fair value gap, price might not actually retest this actual level here, the level that it broke. It could come just to weak into the fair value gap and continue pushing down. So my entry was here. I was never activated, so we didn't get a trade yesterday. Yes, we got a signal confirmation for a sell, but I didn't get a retest of my level, so I didn't enter. That is where I pick my entries for. I don't like to participate in the impulse buying and selling. But once this candle closed here, you could have easily entered here for the impulse buyers, impulse sellers. Just you could have just pressed sell, and then stop loss above this high here, this week here, the candle that broke below, and then your TP down here, and you could have hit TP. But for me, I like to see a retest and rejection before we continue down. So I missed that entry there. So that's what we had yesterday. For whoever got the move, congratulations. We are here to win. We're here to win, guys. So let's see what we'll be looking at today. So like always, start on the news, fundamentals. Uh, we have a French bank holiday that's on the euro, and on the USD, we have the CPI coming in. The core CPI month over month, core CPI year over year, and core CPI month over month. CPI month over month and CPI over year. We also have at 5 p.m. we have the Fed Chairman Wash testifies, and this could cause volatility in the market. Also at 3 p.m., 3:30 p.m. volatility in the market due to CPI. So you have three options. You can trade the fundamentals. That's option number one. And that's if you know what you're doing. Option number two, if you're in a trade before 3:30 p.m., you could bring your stop loss to break even or into profit, lock in your profits, and let the market do what it wants to do. That's option number two. Option number three, you could stay out of the market at least 15 minutes until the volatility settles. Wait for the first 15-minute candle to close. Then after that, you can start looking for your entries. Okay. So that's all on the fundamentals today. We also have high impact data on GBP. That's at 11 p.m. BOE Governor Bailey speaks. So that's the fundamentals for today. and that's what we expect today. So now, what else to look out for? Breaking news. Any breaking news affecting the war uh, on Iran and the US could lead to volatility in the market. So watch out for that too. So now we're gonna do our analysis real quick, and we start on the 1 month. But first, clear everything here. Remove all these drawings and start afresh on the 1 month. And our 1 month resistance is up here. That's our monthly resistance. Our monthly support is down here. Our monthly support is down there. Let me remove this alert here. I placed an alert there. So jump down to the weekly. On the weekly, we are looking at the most immediate high. The most immediate high is that one there. This is where price will face some resistance first before it gets to these other levels. That's on the weekly outlook. On the daily, we are looking at this break of structure here. There's this break of structure here, but we also have this internal break of structure here. But since we're on the daily, let's use this level here, because this one has already been tested here. If it breaks above here, if it breaks above this level here, then this is the most immediate level we are going to face. Okay, the most immediate resistance. Jump down 4 hours, but that level is also worth noting. This level is also worth noting here. If it gives us a break above this level, then this could be a nice trade here. Okay, so on 4 hours, we are on 4 hours, and on 4 hours, we are looking at the our 4 hour low is down there. This was the break of structure here. We had a BOS there, we had a break of structure there. Then we had a shift here. Market gave us a shift here. That was a shift. We had a break of structure, a shift. So this is our low, and this is our high here. This is our high here. So on 4 hours, so now on 4 hours, we can move this one here. On 4 hours, that is our high, and this is our low. But remember what to do on 4 hours. We like to use the bodies. So there, I'll move it to that body there, and here we move it to the body here. Okay, so that's our 4 hour levels. Now move it to this body here, the most immediate one. Yeah, so these are our 4 hour levels. You identify this level here as a target. This level here is a target. That level there is a target. We also have this other level here. Then identify this level below, and also this week here. Okay, so that's our that we have identified our 4 hour structure. So shift down to 1 hour, and on 1 hour, this is what we are looking at. We had this break of structure here. This was yesterday. So we had this break of structure here. Then we had this other break of structure here. That's after you got a shift. There was a shift there. Then another break of structure there. Shift there. Once we had the shift, then there was a break of structure there. This is the level we were looking at yesterday. Then after that level was broken, this level was broken here. So this is the structure we are looking at on 1 hour. On 1 hour, this is our structure here. We got a break of structure here. We got a BOS here. So our resistance is up here on 1 hour. Wait, where we had, but this one has already been broken. Not yet. So this is our 1 hour structure. We have our resistance up here. We have our resistance up there, and we have our support down here. With our support down there. What time was this candle? 3 a.m. So these are support and our resistance up down here. So we shift down to 30 minutes, and on 30 minutes, we had this resistance here. We had this break of structure here. This was our most recent break of structure here. We had that BOS there. Then we had a shift here. No, we have not gotten the shift yet. So now this is where we look for our trades. So here we had this resistance here on 30 minutes. I believe this is so on 30 minutes, this is what we have on 30 minutes. Is our support, our resistance. So now I wouldn't want to shift down to 15 minutes. I like to leave my analysis here because this I find that this time frame gives me better confirmations as compared to the 15 minutes frame. So this is where I'm gonna leave my analysis, and I believe this is the ATM card, or this is actually the ATM candle. Okay, so here, like we always do, bring start to the body there, identify this level. This level is our potential sales, potential buys above, potential buys above. If this candle closes above this previous candle and closes above our level with good bullish momentum, then this could be a good signal for a buy. You could wait for a retest, enter on this retest here, stop loss just below the structure here, and take your profits up to there. So let me show you what I'm saying. In the next 3 minutes, you're gonna see if this candle closes with some good bullish momentum and closes above this week here, then that would give me much confidence in taking that trade. Stop loss there, take the market up to that level, but also beware of this level here. Price could get rejected at that level there. So that will be a take profit 1 and you'll take profit 2. That's for the buys. For the sells, we'll be looking to trade from this level here, push this to the bodies there, identify this wick. So if we get price breaking below that wick there, then that's our potential sales level, and we're gonna take trades from this level here. Stop loss just above the resistance there. This support will have turned into resistance once you break below here. So, and we could target this level here. Okay, That's my outlook on gold today. And this is what I would trade today on gold. If it gives me the moves, well and good. If it doesn't, we hunt again tomorrow. Okay? So that's it. That's it for today. Remember, guys, always trade what you see, not what you think. Risk management is always key. How you manage your risk determines if you are profitable at the end of the day or not. Okay? Risk management is part of the game. It's a big part of this game. So yeah, you can see my targets. If we break above this level here, break with some good bullish momentum, we are going to take the market up to this level here, at least up to this level here. Yeah, you could take your profit there. Target that level there. Okay. If we get a break below, uh, you could take your profit, take profit one, take profit two, and then take profit three. So this is what I'm looking at today, and this is how I'm going to trade these markets. So the candle closed above, you can see the candle closed above our level, but didn't close above this previous week here. So I would at least want to see this current candle close above this week here, then retest, a rejection on the retest, then take the market up. Okay, retest, rejection on the retest, then take a market up. Now that it, now that it has broken below a level, you can shift to 15 minutes. And on 15 minutes, what do we have on 15 minutes? So yeah, if we get this candle closing above, if we get this current candle here, this current candle closing above this level here, then that would be good confirmation for me, and I could enter the market on this retest, price retest, and take the market up to that level. That's a risk to reward ratio of 3.18. That's good enough for me. Okay, so that's a trade I'm looking at today. Now it's all about patience. Now it's just patience, patience, patience till you get what you're looking for, then execute. You already have your metrics. What's left is execution. How you execute and how you manage your risk will determine if this trade is gonna make you something or not. Okay, so happy hunting, guys. See you tomorrow for a recap of the same. I'm out. Ciao.